If you can see, my birds are there. Yeah, just flying and flying. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning, guys. Just see, it's a blessing from God. Just see, my people. Oh my goodness. Just see, this is a blessing, man. This is a real blessing from God. Just see. Okay, just see by yourself. Oh my goodness, just see. It's a blessing, man. Yeah, it's a blessing. You just see this small one, right? Wow, this is a blessing from God. Like I told you guys, this is outside my workshop. Just imagine, eh? You see there is my bench for cutting. But I want to tell you guys, just see, this is the label, right? Outside there, you see, guys, this is a blessing from God. Yeah, I really love this. Yeah, see by yourself. Just see that one. These are the nest. Birds are everywhere. Thank you so much. God bless you.